Welcome to the High-Tech Frontier channel, your portal to the future of technology. In a world dominated by constant technological evolution, data emerges as the core of digital transformation. Explore the fascinating world of augmented reality in our video. See how augmented reality is reshaping sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, education, retail, entertainment, and more. Meet revolutionary devices like Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap. Discover the integration with artificial intelligence and the Metaverse, paving the way for the digital future. This video is a window to the incredible possibilities of augmented reality. Watch and get ahead of the transformations that will define our era. Augmented reality, the new frontier of interactive technology. Augmented reality is at the epicenter of a technological revolution, with profound implications across various sectors. By integrating virtual elements with the real world, augmented reality offers a new dimension of interactivity and efficiency. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a fully immersive environment, augmented reality complements reality, opening a range of possibilities for practical applications and innovation. Current state of augmented reality technology. In the augmented reality market, devices like Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap represent the state-of-the-art. The HoloLens uses advanced eye tracking and spatial mapping techniques to offer an immersive experience, being widely used in training and maintenance scenarios. Magic Leap, with its light field display technology, creates digital images that naturally integrate with the physical environment. Practical applications. Augmented reality is transforming business operations, improving efficiency and reducing errors. In the manufacturing sector, companies like Boeing and Airbus use augmented reality glasses to assist in complex assemblies, providing step-by-step visual instructions. Beyond assisting in complex assemblies, augmented reality is being used for maintenance and training. Technicians can use augmented reality glasses to view instruction manuals and diagrams while working, keeping their hands free and reducing machine downtime. This also aids in the quick identification of faults and the execution of precise repairs. For employee training, augmented reality offers interactive simulations that replicate the work environment, allowing workers to practice their skills in a safe virtual scenario before applying them on the factory floor, which improves operational efficiency and reduces accidents. In healthcare, augmented reality facilitates surgical procedures, allowing doctors to view critical information in real time during operations. Beyond facilitating surgical procedures, augmented reality is being used to improve the training of healthcare professionals and patient education. Through augmented reality applications, doctors can overlay diagnostic images such as X-rays or MRI scans directly onto the patient's body, improving the precision of interventions. In medical education, augmented reality allows for realistic simulations where students can practice surgical procedures in a controlled environment, reducing risks and accelerating learning. For patients, augmented reality applications can illustrate how medications work or the progression of diseases, aiding in the understanding of their treatments and health conditions. In the educational sector, augmented reality is revolutionizing learning, making it more interactive and engaging. Students can explore complex scientific concepts through 3D models, take virtual trips to historical sites, or simulate practical experiences in virtual labs. In retail, beyond virtual fitting rooms and 3D product visualization, augmented reality is being used to enrich the shopping experience, allowing customers to visualize how furniture and home appliances will look in their own spaces before purchasing. Major brands are implementing augmented reality applications that allow users to point their cameras at specific spaces in their homes, inserting products virtually into the environment to assess aesthetics and size, facilitating the purchase decision. In entertainment, augmented reality is creating immersive and personalized experiences. Augmented reality games like Pokemon Go allow players to explore the real world while interacting with virtual characters. Museums and theme parks are using augmented reality to add layers of information and interactivity to their exhibits, transforming conventional visits into educational and fun experiences. For example, augmented reality applications in museums can bring artworks and historical artifacts to life, providing audio narratives, historical reconstructions, and detailed analyses, enriching the cultural experience of visitors. Technological advances. The evolution of augmented reality hardware and software is driving its adoption. The development of more powerful and efficient processors, along with longer-lasting batteries, are enabling the creation of lighter and more autonomous devices. On the software side, improvements in computer vision algorithms and graphic processing are significantly enhancing the accuracy and stability of virtual images integrated into the real environment. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of augmented reality, enhancing its capabilities through advanced processing and real-time data analysis. The integration of AI with augmented reality facilitates the creation of visual recognition systems, essential for mapping and interacting with the real environment. For example, through machine learning, AI can analyze and understand images and videos from their real world, allowing augmented reality to position virtual objects in the physical environment in a coherent and precise manner. Computer vision algorithms enable the tracking of user movements and gestures, making interaction with the virtual environment more intuitive and natural. This is crucial in applications such as interactive games, immersive training, and in design and planning solutions, where the precision in overlaying virtual and real elements defines the quality of the experience. Furthermore, the convergence of AI with augmented reality is enabling the development of adaptive systems that learn and adjust to user behavior. This means that augmented reality experiences can become dynamic and personalized, adapting in real time to the user's preferences and needs. Metaverse. The company Meta, formerly Facebook, is driving the development of augmented reality and the metaverse through robust investments in research and technology. With a focus on integrating the physical with the digital, Meta designs cohesive virtual environments where users can interact immersively. These advances represent a significant milestone, promoting a fusion between reality and virtuality and shaping the future of digital interaction. The future of augmented reality. The next decade promises a significant evolution in augmented reality, with the technology becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. The miniaturization of devices and the improvement of the user-computer interface are expected to make augmented reality an indistinguishable part of everyday life, similar to the smartphone revolution. The expansion of augmented reality faces challenges, such as the need for universal standards of interoperability, concerns about privacy, security, and overcoming technological barriers. However, these challenges represent significant opportunities for innovation and the development of new business models, especially in sectors still unexplored by augmented reality. Conclusion: augmented reality is paving the way for a new era of digital interaction, with the potential to radically transform the way we live, work, and entertain ourselves. As technology advances, technology professionals must be at the forefront, exploring and shaping the future of augmented reality. Here at High Tech Frontier, we believe in the power of education and knowledge sharing. With news, videos, updates, technical analyses, and glimpses into the future of computing, our goal is to empower you with knowledge and inspire innovation. Whether you're a veteran in the field or new to the world of technology, High Tech Frontier will be your guide to navigating the emerging technologies that will shape the future. Subscribe now to our channel and stay up to date with the latest in technology.